Hi, it's Natalie from Belcourt Property Group, and behind me sits 132 Lawrence Street in Bedford, a beautifully enhanced and upgraded 3x3 mid-century character home right here on top of the hill in Bedford. Let's go inside and take a look. So as we head inside, there are a couple of things that I want to point out about this home that I really love, not least of which is the fact that they've retained these beautiful olive and gorgeous frangipani trees from the original block, and it's just such a nice nod to the original owners. And I also love how they've upgraded the facade with this beautiful red brick feature, and that continues through the house as well. So you can see that there is lovely hard stand area here out the front, and it is very generous. It's a really lovely spot to just sit out at the end of the day and kind of watch the world go by, enjoy your beautiful green lawn and wave to the neighbours as they wander past. So great area for an outdoor lounge. Really lovely entrance door, which is original, but they've repainted it so to bring out the features. There's a really nice wide entry which gives it a really lovely airy feel. You can see these beautiful polished jarrah boards. You come into the living space, and the other thing that I want to point out from here is that you've got these beautiful kind of picture windows either side. So a lovely living one here, and you can see it goes through to the open plan dining, and you've sort of got book-ended windows, and that one looks outside towards the hills as well. So this gives you an idea of the dining space. I want to sort of swing around so that you can see the kitchen. Beautiful brand new kitchen, and I'll go and poke a look in there in a sec. So let's just pan back so you can see this living area. Again, you can kind of appreciate that view from that very large picture window out front, and then again this lovely view out. You can see that sort of elevated aspect there, which goes right through to the hills at the rear. So just really nice outlook. The kitchen has stone bench tops. There's an integrated dishwasher that's just tucked in behind here. Beautiful wide oven and gas cooktop. Double sink. Love that feature tiling. And of course this really great bank of overhead cupboards that go right to the ceiling, so you don't have to try and worry about getting on top to clean. Again, just really nice use of space, built-in cabinetry, little microwave recess, fridge recess as well, and some feature open shelving. So just really nicely done. Hello. Let's go and have, before we go outside, we'll go have a look at the bedrooms. So as you come in, you've got the choice of going right to the living or left to the bedroom wing of the house. That's just a little linen cupboard tucked in there. You've got the main bedroom here at the front. So again, lovely large picture window with great views outside. Those beautiful floors. You would fit, well, I think that is a king size, and then you've got bedsides either side. You're going to fit a king size bed and then some into this space, and then you've got this beautiful ensuite bathroom with the barn door. Stunning feature tiles, lovely big double vanity, plenty of storage. Twin mirrors, that lovely matte black tapware, and then beautiful matte black semi-frameless shower screen with the double shower heads as well. So if we come towards the back of the house, we've got 2 further bedrooms. I'm just going to swing first into the laundry. Again, this use of these beautiful pattern tiles. So nice, really tidy. Again, the cupboards, laundry space, handy door that goes outside as well. And family bathroom, again, a good size. Nice sink, cupboards, the matte black tapware. The second loo, there is a 3rd downstairs and a good size shower over the bath. So let's have a look at the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. Again, both double sized. So good sized double bed in there. You've got bedsides either side. This doesn't have a robe in, but I think that just means that you've got more flexibility for how you use spaces when there's no robe. Would make a great home office if you didn't want to use it as a bedroom, but there is plenty of space there for a built-in robe. And this is the 3rd bedroom. This one also has access outside, which would make it a great guest or teenage room, because then you've got access to the 3rd bathroom downstairs as well. So you can see there is a robe recess there. You could fit that out with built-in robes, but those freestanding ones fit quite nicely. Again, that sort of elevated view that you've got, and really lovely carpet in here, and just a really nice space and size. So we're outside now. This is the rear elevated sort of al fresco space. So you've got that great area at the front, and then you've got this extra space at the rear as well. And you know, it's just such a lovely outlook. It is so nice just looking out towards the hills. Your eyes really do get drawn to the distance and to that beautiful elevation. And of course today, that glorious blue sky. And then you've got the great access downstairs to the 3rd bathroom, and also the storage. So let's go have a look there. So tucked downstairs, undercover, out of the weather, is a 3rd bathroom. I think it's a great idea given there was the water down there. You've got a shower popped behind here, so lovely tiled shower. You've got a 3rd loo and a really nice vanity. And of course, if you don't want to use it as a bathroom, that could be a very posh storage space, but I don't think you ever run short of bathrooms. I think it's a great party loo. And this is the fantastic extra storage and potential wine cellar. And as soon as you kind of enter into this space, you can really feel the temperature drop. So great place to sort of stash the vino or anything else that you want to sort of put away. Suitcases, Christmas trees, decorations, glasses that you bring out only a couple of times a year. It is all going to fit in here very nicely. So there you have it. That's 132 Lawrence Street in Bedford. Location wise, you're a couple of 100 metres from Beaufort Street and Chisholm College. You are perched here up on the top of the hill with its spectacular views and elevation. There's nothing quite like an elevated location. You've got fantastic proximity to the Inglewood and Mayland social precincts, as well of course as the upcoming Bayswater social precinct, an area that's due to be redeveloped all around the train station, and also Morley. Look, it's what near city living is all about. Call me on 0405 812 273 for more details, or to arrange your inspection, or see you at a home open. Have a great day.